Imagine a creature so cunning, so devious, that it can control the mind of another, turning its victim into an unwitting slave. This is the world of the parasitic wasp, a tiny insect with a terrifyingly effective survival strategy. These wasps have evolved to manipulate their hosts in ways that seem almost supernatural. They inject their eggs into unsuspecting victims, often caterpillars or other insects, and from that moment on, the host's fate is sealed. This is not science fiction, but the astonishing reality of the parasitic wasp. Once the eggs are inside, they hatch into larvae that begin to consume the host from the inside out. But the horror doesn't stop there. These larvae release chemicals that alter the host's behavior, effectively turning it into a zombie that protects the developing wasps. These tiny insects, masters of manipulation, have evolved a macabre survival strategy that reads like something out of a horror movie. The host, now under the control of the parasitic wasp, continues to go about its daily life, unaware that it is harboring a deadly secret. The wasp larvae feed on the host's internal organs, carefully avoiding vital ones to keep it alive as long as possible. Parasitic wasps, far from the familiar black and yellow insects that buzz around picnic tables, are a diverse group with a gruesome secret. There are thousands of species, each with its own unique method of parasitism. Some target specific hosts, while others are less discriminating, but all share the same basic strategy: infiltrate, control, and consume. Many species have evolved to parasitize other insects, turning them into living incubators and food sources for their young. The host, now a mere shell of its former self, eventually succumbs to the parasitic invasion, leaving behind a new generation of wasps ready to continue the cycle. It's a chilling reminder of the lengths to which nature will go to ensure survival. The drama begins when a female wasp, armed with a needle-sharp ovipositor, targets a hapless caterpillar. This specialized organ, a marvel of evolutionary engineering, is capable of piercing the caterpillar's tough exoskeleton and delivering a payload of doom: the wasp's eggs. The caterpillar, oblivious to the danger lurking within, continues its life as if nothing has changed. Little does it know that a sinister transformation is already underway. Once inside their unsuspecting host, the wasp eggs hatch and the real puppet show begins. The wasp larvae, tiny and vulnerable, face a formidable challenge: the caterpillar's immune system. To survive, they must evade detection and disarm their host's defenses. The larvae achieve this through a cunning strategy of chemical warfare. They release a cocktail of molecules that suppress the caterpillar's immune response, effectively blinding it to their presence. These immunosuppressants, tailored to target specific components of the caterpillar's immune system, prevent the host from recognizing the larvae as foreign invaders. But the manipulation doesn't stop there. As the wasp larvae grow, their needs become more demanding, and their control over the caterpillar becomes even more profound. They begin to influence the caterpillar's behavior, turning it into a bodyguard and a servant. The caterpillar, its mind hijacked by the parasitic invaders, undergoes a chilling transformation. It becomes more passive, less interested in feeding or defending itself. In some cases, it even begins to spin a silken cocoon around the wasp larvae, providing them with a safe haven as they prepare to pupate. Section 5. RNA, the master puppeteer. Recent studies have shed light on the intricate molecular mechanisms behind this behavioral manipulation. Scientists have long been fascinated by the complex interactions between parasites and their hosts, but the level of control exhibited by the wasp larvae over the caterpillar is truly astonishing. By delving deeper into the molecular biology of this relationship, researchers have uncovered a sophisticated system of manipulation that goes beyond mere physical control. It turns out that the wasp larvae don't just suppress the caterpillar's immune system, they employ a multifaceted approach to ensure their survival and development. This involves a series of biochemical strategies that effectively turn the caterpillar into a living incubator and bodyguard for the developing larvae. They also hijack its nervous system, altering its very perception of the world. This neural takeover is so complete that the caterpillar begins to exhibit behaviors that are entirely out of character, such as protecting the wasp larvae from potential threats, and even altering its feeding habits to benefit the larvae. One way they achieve this is through the manipulation of RNA, the molecular messengers that carry genetic information within cells. RNA plays a crucial role in translating genetic instructions into the proteins that carry out various functions within the organism. The wasp larvae release specific molecules that interfere with the caterpillar's RNA processing, effectively reprogramming the caterpillar's cellular machinery. This interference is highly targeted, affecting only the RNA sequences that are crucial for the caterpillar's normal behavior and immune response. The wasp larvae release specific molecules that interfere with the caterpillar's RNA processing, leading to changes in gene expression and ultimately altering the production of proteins involved in behavior. These proteins are responsible for the caterpillar's movement, feeding, and even its defensive responses. This intricate dance of molecular manipulation ensures that the caterpillar remains a suitable host for the developing wasp larvae. By altering the caterpillar's gene expression, the wasp larvae can control its behavior to such an extent that the caterpillar becomes an unwitting participant in its own parasitism. This remarkable example of biological control highlights the incredible complexity and sophistication of parasitic relationships in the natural world. Section 6. A matter of perspective. The caterpillar, once a vibrant individual, has become a mere vessel, its body and mind enslaved by the parasitic invaders. It's a grim fate, but from the perspective of the wasp, it's a remarkable feat of evolutionary adaptation. The parasitic wasp's ability to manipulate its host is a testament to the power of natural selection. Over countless generations, these insects have evolved increasingly sophisticated ways to exploit their hosts, ensuring the survival of their own offspring. Section 7. The evolutionary arms race. This macabre dance between parasite and host is not a one-sided affair. The caterpillar, under constant assault from parasitic wasps, has also evolved defenses of its own. This ongoing evolutionary arms race has resulted in a dizzying array of adaptations and counter-adaptations, each more cunning than the last. Some caterpillars have developed thicker exoskeletons, making it more difficult for wasps to lay their eggs. Others have evolved immune systems that are better at recognizing and destroying parasitic invaders. Section 8. Beyond the caterpillar. The parasitic wasp's mind control tactics are not limited to caterpillars. These masters of manipulation have evolved to parasitize a wide range of insects, from spiders to ants, each with its own unique set of adaptations and vulnerabilities. In some cases, the wasp larvae manipulate their hosts to protect them from predators, while in others they induce their hosts to seek out specific locations for pupation. The diversity of parasitic wasp strategies is a testament to the boundless creativity of evolution. Section 9. A universe within. The world of parasitic wasps and their hosts is a fascinating and often disturbing glimpse into the darker side of nature. These tiny creatures, often overlooked, play a crucial role in the ecosystem. Parasitic wasps lay their eggs inside or on other insects, and their larvae feed on the host, eventually killing it. This process, while brutal, is a natural form of population control, keeping the balance in check. It's a world where survival comes at a cost, and where the line between individual and puppet is often blurred. The host, often a caterpillar or another insect, becomes a living nursery for the wasp larvae. As the larvae grow, they manipulate the host behavior, turning it into a zombie-like state, ensuring their own survival. This eerie transformation is a testament to the complex and often ruthless strategies that evolution has devised. But beyond the horror, there's a strange beauty to this macabre dance of life and death. The intricate interactions between the wasp and its host are a marvel of natural engineering. Each step of the process, from the laying of the eggs to the emergence of the adult wasp, is a finely tuned sequence of events that has evolved over millions of years. This delicate balance is a reminder of the resilience and adaptability of life. It's a reminder that the natural world is full of wonders, both beautiful and terrifying, and that even the smallest creatures can harbor secrets that challenge our understanding of life itself. The parasitic wasp, with its complex life cycle and its role in the ecosystem, is a perfect example of the hidden intricacies of nature. By studying these tiny creatures, we gain insight into the delicate balance of life and the extraordinary lengths to which organisms will go to survive and thrive.